What do I do for a living? I'm a professional attention seeker, obviously. And I'm killing the game. I'm killing it. Darling, if you're not getting attention, are you even living? The answer is no. No, you are not. If you're not getting attention, you simply don't exist. If they can't hear you breathing, if they can't hear you existing, you do not exist. So it's important to breathe heavily. I am here. Pay attention to me. I am woman. Hear me roar. Meow. I'm in radio. I'm also an only child, so I get bored and I try to entertain myself. I try to share a lot of my life because that's kind of my brand. It's kind of